Hello there. This is a demo 1, 2, 3, checking for how well we can use this board and the screen capture that comes with it. So we're trying to make a video about tutoring, or rather a tutoring video about physics, and in particular mechanics. My name is Jeffrey Matthews. I've been a tutor for close to 10 years. I hope to simplify and trivialize physics as relating to just certain topics, broadly called mechanics. The book that I use will be a book that I've used for over 10 years. It's coincidentally published in the year I was born, 1986. And it has over 2,200 problems, which I will be sourcing from regularly. It's a book by Raymond Survey. It's a second edition. It's Physics for Scientists and Engineers. So just a few reminders. I will be repeating them during at the beginning of every class. Just maintain a positive attitude. Let's approach each problem like it's not a problem, but an actual fun activity. And nobody understood physics on the first go. So if you get some of it, the first time you're ahead of most. And physics is also not just a boring science subject. It is also something that can lead to a lot of fun and reflection. You could ask yourself such simple questions as a cliched question such as, why is the sky blue? And why is water wet? And you could find answers, satisfactory answers from your understanding of mechanics. In most cases, in some cases, from further understanding of waves, etc. So, moving on, the focus of this whole course is on problem solving mostly, because if you understand problem solving, that would that would mean that you've understood the basic concepts and principles. Not that understanding the physics of skiing makes you a better skier. Understanding the physics of pitching makes you a better pitcher. But it could, if you wanted to apply it. So, also I will go over a method that I use to solve most questions. It's a 4-step method. It's one that I employ often. It works wonders in problem solving. With a basic understanding of the formulas, you can pretty much approach every problem and solve it in multiple ways, which is the case in mechanics. You can usually solve questions using energy equations or the kinematics equations. And this method sort of gives you that flexibility to approach every problem without having to memorize a topic-based approach to problem solving. So without further ado, I give to you the physics tutor.